Are you looking for inventory control software? In this video, I'm going to present you one of the best ones on the market. My name is Marcus and I like to create videos about automations and about how we can have our life much easier while doing business. So let me show you the best one. And I'm going to show you also the few reasons why I think it's really good. So the first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on a link. When you're going to click on a link, you will get right here to InFlow inventory management software. There are a few things why I recommend before we go straight away to inventory control. The first thing is that you can start a free trial without actually adding a cart to InFlow. So this is a huge thing and I like it because many companies, when you want to try a free trial, they will ask for a card and then they charge you money. With InFlow, it's not like that. So this is the first thing. The second thing is their customer support, which is really great. And the third thing, which is like damn important, is that even when you would like choose a plan, they have the setup assistance right here. 4 hours setup assistance that then they can help you set up everything right so we can focus on making money or different projects. So this is a huge thing. And now let's go straight away to inventory control and what you can achieve here. Inventory control software that saves you money. Run a lean business with InFlow. And this is how it would look like. I'm going to also show you on my account how it feels to use it. InFlow stores your inventory and orders in one place, giving you insights into which are coming in and how much is going out. This information empowers you to order the right quantities to the right location ahead of the time. And this is how all the products would look like. So, and this is how it also see real-time inventory control. So you would see everything, you would understand everything. And even when you have like multiple locations, the better. The easier it's going to be with InFlow inventory. And now, as you can see, inventory control software features, full product list, product categories, photos, serial numbers, units of measure, deactivate products, barcoding, barcode and SKU support, generate barcode numbers, print barcode labels. So this is huge. Pricing and costing, pricing schemes, multiple currencies, bulk price changes, and stock tracking. As you can see, multiple locations, stock adjustment, stock transfer, reordering, low stock emails, reorder points, one-click PO generation, and manufacturing, work orders, kitting, bill of materials, assembly, cost tracking. So as you can see, you got everything here. You got everything covered for inventory control. Now, when I would click login here, as you can see, I have my account. The whole process works like, okay, you get a purchase quote from your, let's say, vendor. Then you have like the product that you can then sell to your customers. Example. Now, when I would click here on a product list that I have, and as you can see, I have a product. I can simply print a barcode. And I would see everything here. Now, if you're gonna have any questions about InFlow inventory, what you can do is to write it down below in comments, or what you can do is also ask the customer support of InFlow. They are really helpful and they can help you with everything you need. So as you can see, when I would click here on the filters, I can even filter it. So it's pretty straightforward and pretty easy to use InFlow inventory. But as I mentioned, not only that you have the inventory control that you would need, you have with the barcoding, with the sales and invoicing B2B portal, so you can automate the whole process, and it's quite simple. And this is what I try to focus on, is like, okay, what are some good software that can help you automate things in your business or for your projects, is, let's say, if you're an employee in that business, to have everything lean and clean. And this is the two things that I really like: the customer support and the option that they will help you set up everything. Because many times, let's say project management software, you have to set it up by yourself. There is no one going to help you. Or if you want to, you need to pay money for it. But right here you see it, pricing plan, unlimited support, 4 hours setup assistance, or 6 hours. So, an optional smart scanner that you can buy then also. So this is pretty much it, how we can use it and what is the actually best inventory control software. Now, if you can have any questions about InFlow, ask it down below in comments. If you have your own opinion on InFlow, write it down below in comments. But the purpose of this video is to learn how to focus on working on a business, not in a business. Many people, when they are starting out, they're like employee of themselves. They work 12, 14 hours every single day. They're not automating everything, like anything, and they're just employee of their own business. But the purpose is to work on it, not in it. When you work on it, you set up things in the right order so they work flawlessly, and then you can enjoy your time or focus on making money. Like, let's say that you would do the inventory control software, the inventory control by yourself. It would take like 2-3 hours to do it, but right here it can help you 15 minutes. Or you would outsource everything to InFlow inventory and you're good to go, you're covered. So this is a huge thing that you can get, and that's pretty much it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you can have any questions, again, ask it down below in the comments. This was an InFlow inventory walkthrough on what you can get with the inventory control software. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.